Toby never does this with dogs. Look at that.
Good dog.
He only has one dog he does it with, and that's Jolly across the street.
Good boy. You know what's weird though is
Oh, he's making Lou act young.
when he plays with Dan, they bite each other's necks.
Oh yeah.
And they're not.
No, Toby wouldn't like that anyway. Wouldn't allow that. He wouldn't play that way. Can you believe that, Toby? I mean, Jason, can you believe that? What the...
Yeah, Lou.
No, don't get him encouraged. That's funny. Toby's limping. He's, yeah, tired.
What was that, Liv? Okay. Now you just recorded nothing. Get him.
They're not done. I'm recording to show Cindy.
Yeah, but